Hello, in this video I will be showing you how I transform from a sick pale zombie, ew, to a decent looking girl. Enjoy!
I feel like crap. I don't even know why I'm filming this. Like, is anyone gonna watch this? Do you care to watch it? I don't know, but whatever. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can probably tell already by the title of this video, but today I'm filming a makeup tutorial for when you are sick, looking like crap, but you've expired on those sick days and sadly you have to go back to work or school or wherever it is, or you just have to leave the house. Like, you just have to wear makeup and look decent. So this is what I'm filming today, because today I have to go to a bunch of appointments and I don't want to scare anyone. I don't want to look like a zombie. So I'm gonna try to put myself together really quickly with the least effort possible, as you can hear by my voice. I have been sick for a couple of days now, almost a week. I feel like I'm kind of towards the end now. So hopefully in a couple of days I'll feel back to myself, but I really need to get myself together because I have to go to a few appointments. I have a doctor's appointment, a dentist appointment, which I really wanted to cancel, but I have to go. So I'm gonna put myself together and try to look like a decent person today with the least amount of effort possible. So this is probably gonna take me like 10 minutes because honestly I don't have the strength for anything more than that. I feel like the flu is going around right now, and I did want to share some like products that I've been using to kind of help alleviate the symptoms or like help myself feel better. But first I'm gonna mentally prepare myself by using this calming mist, okay, from DermaE. I recently just got, it's the Skin Beneficial Mist. Hello, focus. This is with Herbal Waters Coconut Essence Witch Hazel. And honestly, just the scent alone kind of calms down my mind because I'm not really looking forward to doing my makeup today, but I know that I have to. So this is just kind of like to mentally prepare myself, okay? The next thing that I have to do is moisturize and prime my face because I've been blowing my nose every 20 minutes and it's red, it itches, and it's so flaky and so dry. So I'm gonna prime with the Mercier primers. I'm gonna actually mix hydrating and illuminating because I do need hydration and we do want to illuminate this dull skin so I don't look like a zombie. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix these two. I think after 4 or 5 days, that's when your sick days really expire unless you're like horribly sick with the flu. Thankfully, I don't have the flu. I don't really know what the hell I have right now, but my voice was completely gone yesterday. I physically cannot breathe without a nasal spray. I'm not even joking. My throat hurts so bad to swallow. I have like all the symptoms, but I know it's not the flu. Thank God, because I know that is like 10 times worse. When I get sick, I cannot, you will not make me do a full glam. This is gonna be a super quick and easy kind of freshen up look. Look like you're totally fine. I'm not doing foundation today. I'm actually gonna do the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer from ColourPop. This one is super hydrating and it does have a little bit of coverage. So I think that's all I'm gonna really need. And then if I need a little bit concealer, I'll put that on. This is something that I need to have when I get sick, especially when I have a cough and like sore throat. I'm sure you guys all know this. There's different brands obviously that you can buy, but these are like, I don't want to say it's candy. It's not candy obviously, but it's like, and it honestly helps you so much. So I'm sorry, but I need to take one right now. I take these literally, I'll wake up in the middle of the night because my throat is so...
Oh yes, here is another reason why I am such an intelligent human being. Please do listen.
Sore and itchy, and I'll just like put one in my mouth and go back to sleep. One time I actually fell asleep with one of those in, like I forgot to finish it before I fell asleep. And I woke up and it was still on the side of my cheek. Thankfully I didn't die and choke to death in my sleep, but don't do that. Don't fall asleep with them, but they really do help me, especially in the middle of the night. One thing I was so bummed about the day that I woke up sick was the night before I put on a fresh tan, as you can see. Such a nice tan. I was so excited because I had all this like content stuff planned. You know, that's why I tan and everything. And now my tan is going to waste because I'm sick and I can't do anything. And I feel like crap. That's honestly the only thing that I'm honestly so upset about is a good wasted tan. So I instantly already look a lot better, okay, and a lot healthier with this tinted moisturizer. But I do want to put on a little concealer, my TooFaced concealer. I think I'm gonna put on because I have really bad circles right now. Or should I say Chanel bags? So I'm actually going to use a very hydrating powder, setting powder from Becca. It's the HydraMist Set and Refresh powder. It feels really weird when you kind of put it on. It feels wet, but it is very hydrating. So this will help your skin from drying out. And I honestly only use this when my skin is so dry or I constantly have to blow my nose. So I'm gonna dip into here. I honestly wish I had a tip for you guys on like how to blow your nose without ruining your makeup like right here, but honestly I don't know any tricks. But if you have any tricks on how to like keep your makeup still looking good after you blow your nose like 100 times, let me know in the comments, because honestly mine just ends up looking like crap. A really good tip that I do have for not looking so flaky and dry, because right now I look really matte after setting, is to have a setting spray or fixing spray, whatever you want to call it, and kind of spray in between your powder stuffs. Honestly, I feel like I'm forgetting how to speak English, but this kind of melts everything together. I think you guys know what this does, right? If you watch my channel enough, you know what it does. Another thing I will say is having your brows filled in a little bit does help. So I'm gonna fill in a little bit with the Bushy brow pen from LimeCrime. I've been using this for a long time. I'll basically just draw brow hairs. If you guys watched my DIY brow lamination video, a lot of people wanted an update on that, and my update is that it kind of already faded away basically. I don't know if I'll do it again because I'm actually getting my brows microbladed in like 2 weeks. So I'm very excited for that. So I think I'm just gonna wait for that. I don't want to do anything to my brows till then. And then you just set your brows. Are my brows even? Honestly. So I'm gonna put on some blush with like a little bit of shimmer because youthful. So I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier cheek palette, probably the 2 pinks that are in here. Another trick when you're sick is to put on a lot of blush, like a little more than what you would normally put on. I don't know, I'd rather have too much blush than look very pale, you know? Don't forget to bronze. I'm going to use my TooFaced Soleil Chocolate Soleil bronzer. While I'm bronzing, I wanted to show you another product that really helps me, especially at night and in the mornings, is I like to have tea when I'm sick, just to help my throat. But these are the TheraFlu Severe Cold and Cough, like little packets. And then you put them in hot water. So it's essentially like a tea. You just put them in hot water and it tastes really good. And it actually does help with like the nasal congestion, your cough, or like everything. It just makes me feel so much better. They also have like nighttime ones that are a little bit stronger and kind of help you fall asleep. Those are so good because I have such a hard time falling asleep. It's like impossible to fall asleep, but that helps me so much. You could find it anywhere, honestly. It's hard for me to drink plain water. So what I do, will mix these emergency vitamin C, also packets filled with electrolytes, which are really good for you and they help you a lot. I started drinking these the moment I realized I'm getting sick, and it actually helps me from getting super sick. But yeah, this is with antioxidants, B vitamins, and electrolytes. They have different flavors. But yeah, that helps you a lot with hydration. So make sure you're staying hydrated, drink lots of water, and don't forget your electrolytes. Another really good tip is to take iron and vitamin C when you're sick. That helps a lot with just like your energy, giving you the will to live, to get through every day. Iron helps a lot. Okay, I am gonna add a little highlighter just to kind of make myself look extra glowy. The same palette. Finish finish off with some mascara to further open up your eyes and make you look like a doll. This is Better Than Sex mascara. I can't be bothered wearing lipstick today, so lip balm it is. I'm gonna put you guys on the best lip balm ever. Like, wow, this is the best lip balm ever, okay? Hydrates your lips. Look how little mine is. It's only been like a month or 2 months since I've had this and it's already gone. But this is the Sugar Advanced Therapy lip balm. It's so good. So that's it. I hope some of these tips helped you. I think the main thing to take away from this video is, obviously this is just like a basic ass look, right? But it's just about knowing what kind of products to use when you're sick, like very hydrating ones, like really good primer, moisturizer, and you know, I feel like less is more when you're sick. So just keep that in mind. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully next time I see you, I won't be sick anymore. Okay? Bye.